Trust doesn't come back with one grand gesture. It's rebuilt from small, repeatable steps. Today you'll get a calm, realistic 30-day plan to rebuild trust after lies, secrecy, or broken promises. No drama, no humiliation, and no endless interrogation, just clear steps, verifiable actions, and a kind tone. First, what trust really is. Trust equals predictability plus goodwill. I roughly know what to expect from you, and I feel you're not acting against me. When a lie happens, both parts break. Unpredictability rises. Goodwill feels doubtful. So our plan restores exactly those two. Why words alone don't work. Promises, speeches, and I swear can soothe for a day. But trust is built by verifiable actions. Total control doesn't work either. Constant checking creates the illusion of safety while killing respect. And demanding instant calm never works. Pain doesn't turn off like a switch. It needs a forecast and time. Week 1. Stabilize. Goal: remove extra noise and stop escalation. Step 1. Give a short acknowledgement without excuses. Say what happened and own it. Not, if you hadn't been upset, but simply, this happened, it's my responsibility. Step 2. Set boundaries for the format of talks. No overnight fights, no raised voices, no looping through the entire past. If tension rises, take a 20-minute pause and return later. A pause isn't silent punishment, it's how we protect the conversation. Step 3. Create transition transparency. Remove the triggers that will break trust again. Hidden passwords, secret chats, unclear money. Transparency here doesn't mean permanent total access to everything. It's a temporary bridge. I'll show where it matters while we rebuild. Step 4. Add small predictability. At the same time every day, send a brief update. When you're back, what you're doing. Not a police report, a forecast. Week 2. Verifiable actions instead of promises. Step 1. Use the say, do, confirm loop. If you promise to be home at 9, be home at 9. If you're delayed, you send the update first. Consistency builds trust faster than any speech. Step 2. Change the risky contact format. If the breach involved messaging or a specific person, change the rules clearly. Only public, only work-related, or a full stop, depending on your agreement. Step 3. Speak in facts, feelings, and needs. Replace "you just don't trust me" with "we agreed to warn an hour ahead. Yesterday there was no warning. I need that agreement to be real." Fact. Feeling request. Week 3. Bring back closeness with small rituals. Trust rests not only on risk control, but also on warmth. Step 1. Start a daily 10-minute we ritual without phones. Morning tea, an evening walk, or a structured check-in where one talks and the other listens, then you switch. Step 2. One generous action a day with no scoreboard. A note, a small favor, a comfort gesture. Step 3. One tiny shared goal for the week. Plan the weekend together, declutter a corner, or walk 10,000 steps together. Shared effort heals slowly but reliably. Week 4. Review and prevent relapses. Step 1. Have a weekly 15-minute review, no phones. Answer 3 questions. What worked? What got in the way? What will adjust next week? Step 2. Write down the new rules in one page, no bureaucracy. Heads up an hour before. No heavy topics after 10 p.m. No sarcasm in messages. Step 3. Make a relapse plan. If old behavior pops up, we do 5 things. Pause, send a message, name the fact, offer compensation, return to the agreement. A relapse isn't a failure, it's information. When the plan isn't working. If there's no real acknowledgement, if transparency is theatrical, or responsibility keeps getting pushed back, trust won't rebuild. Then the question changes from how to endure a bit more to what boundaries do I need to stop eroding myself? Love doesn't cancel your right to safety. A mini trust check. Answer yes or no. 1. Can I say no without fear of punishment? 2. Do I have a reasonable forecast of tomorrow? 3. Are our rules actually spoken, not assumed? 4. Does my partner proactively update me when plans change? 5. Do I feel calmer with my partner than without them? 3 or more yes answers means you're rebuilding already. Fewer. Start with 1 agreement this week. A final reminder. Trust is not believe because you love me. Trust is I see you being predictable, kind, and responsible. Small daily steps beat dramatic speeches. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe. In the comments, share the step that made the biggest difference. Your experience might be exactly what someone needs today.